August 15th, a day of pride, sacrifice, and freedom. Happy Independence Day to all. In this video, we will learn some powerful English words that describe the spirit of this day. Words like justice, patriotism, and revolution. Let's learn and celebrate together. Once again, Happy Independence Day to all. First word is sovereignty. Now say it slowly, sovereignty. Sovereignty. Sovereignty means full power or control over your own country or your own decisions. When a country has sovereignty, means it can take its own laws, control its borders, and choose leaders without another country's control. You can also use sovereignty to talk about personal power, like having control over your own choices. Example: August 15, 1947 marked India's sovereignty as a free nation. This means India became fully independent and could govern itself, no more foreign rules. Second word is liberation. Liberation. Now say it slowly. Liberation. 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 Liberation means the act of being freed from control, limits, or oppression. It often refers to a group or a country gaining freedom after being ruled or restricted. Example: the people celebrate their liberation after decades of foreign rule. This means they were finally free after being controlled by another country for many years. लिबरेशन का अर्थ होता है जब किसी व्यक्ति या देश को किसी के कंट्रोल से छुटकारा या आज़ादी मिल गई। लोगों ने कई सालों तक विदेशी शासन के बाद आज़ादी का जश्न मनाया। Now third word is patriotism. Patriotism. Now say it slowly. Patriotism. 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 Not patriotism. It's patriotism. Patriotism means devotion to and strong support for one's country. It's when you love your country and want to help it. Example: Independence Day initiate a strong sense of patriotism among citizens. This means people feel proud and loving toward their country on this special day. Pronunciation tip: the first sound like the word pay, not pat. So it like this: patriotism, patriotism, patriotism. Now fourth word is justice. Now say it slowly: justice, justice, justice. Justice means fair treatment and equal rights for everyone. It's about doing what is right and making sure all people are treated fairly. Example: we strive for justice in a fair society. This means we work to make sure everyone is treated equally and fairly. जस्टिस का अर्थ होता है न्याय या इंसाफ, यानी सबके साथ समान और सही व्यवहार करना। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वी स्ट्राइव फॉर जस्टिस इन फ्री सोसाइटी। इसका अर्थ है हम एक स्वतंत्र समाज में न्याय के लिए प्रयास या यत्न करते हैं। वर्ड इज रेवोल्यूशन. Revolution. Now say it slowly. Revolution. 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 A revolution is when people forcibly change a government or system, usually to gain freedom, justice, or better rights. Example: the revolution gave the people their freedom and rights. इसका हिंदी में अर्थ होता है क्रांति, यानी जब लोग सरकार या व्यवस्था को जबरदस्ती बदलते हैं ताकि आज़ादी और अधिकार मिल सके. Now finally, last word is constitution. 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 Now say it slowly. Constitution. Constitution. The constitution is a set of rules and principles that explain how countries govern. It tells us how laws are made, how power is used, and what rights people have. In simple words, we can say the constitution is like rule book for the country. Example: our leaders follow the constitution to make fair laws. इसका हिंदी में अर्थ है संविधान. संविधान वो दस्तावेज है जो देश को चलाने के नियम बताता है. Keep learning, keep growing, and always be proud of your country. Wishing you all a very happy Independence Day. Jai Hind.